How to handle kids who won't listen. Dealing with children who won't listen can be one of the most challenging aspects of parenting or caregiving. It's important to understand that children may not always respond to instructions or requests for various reasons, including developmental stages, distractions, or emotional states. Here are some effective strategies to manage situations when kids are not listening. 1. Stay calm and patient. Children can pick up on their caregiver's emotions, so it's crucial to maintain a calm and patient demeanor when addressing a child who isn't listening. If you react with frustration or anger, it may escalate the situation further. Take a deep breath and approach the child with a composed attitude. This sets a positive tone and encourages the child to feel safe and more receptive to communication. 2. Get down to their level. Physical proximity can significantly impact how children perceive conversations. When addressing a child, crouch down to their eye level. This not only makes you appear less intimidating but also helps engage their attention more effectively. Making eye contact shows that you are focused on them and reinforces the importance of what you are saying. 3. Use clear and simple language. Children may struggle to understand complex language or lengthy explanations. When giving instructions, use clear and concise language. Instead of saying, "Can you please pick up your toys so we can have a clean space to play in?" you could say, "Please pick up your toys." This makes it easier for the child to understand and follow through with your request. 4. Establish routine and consistency. Children thrive on routine and predictability. Establishing a consistent daily schedule can help them know what to expect and when to listen. If they know that specific tasks happen at certain times, they may be more inclined to follow through. Consistency in expectations and consequences for listening or not listening also fosters a sense of responsibility and accountability. 5. Offer choices. Giving children choices can empower them and reduce resistance. Instead of issuing commands, present options that allow them to feel in control. For instance, instead of saying, "Put on your shoes," you could say, "Would you like to wear your blue shoes or your red shoes?" This strategy can motivate them to listen because they feel involved in the decision-making process. 6. Set clear expectations. Before entering situations where you expect them to listen, clearly outline your expectations. For example, if you're heading to a grocery store, explain the behavior you expect while there, such as staying close to you and not running off. Clear expectations help children understand what is required of them and reduce the chances of miscommunication. 7. Incorporate positive reinforcement. Acknowledge and reward positive behavior when children listen. This can be as simple as verbal praise, a sticker chart, or a small treat. Positive reinforcement encourages children to repeat desired behaviors in the future, making them more likely to listen when asked again. 8. Redirect their attention. Sometimes, children may not listen simply because they are distracted. If a child is fixated on a toy or a screen, gently redirect their attention back to the task at hand. You might say, "Let's finish our game and then we can play with that toy together." This strategy can help refocus their attention and improve their listening skills. 9. Model good listening skills. Children learn by observing the adults around them. Demonstrate good listening skills yourself. Show them how to listen actively by maintaining eye contact, nodding, and responding appropriately when they speak. This not only fosters a mutual respect, but also teaches them the importance of listening in communication. 10. Be aware of underlying issues. If a child consistently refuses to listen, there may be underlying emotional or behavioral issues at play. It's important to consider whether the child is feeling anxious, overwhelmed, or tired. Addressing these underlying issues can help improve their ability to listen and respond. Conclusion. Handling children who won't listen requires patience, understanding, and effective communication techniques. By implementing these strategies, caregivers can foster an environment that encourages listening and cooperation, ultimately leading to more harmonious interactions. Remember, it's a learning process for both the child and the caregiver, and consistency is key to seeing improvement over time.